Looking for cats, beds and furniture to buy on Black Friday? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, by Beau Jardin. One of the most popular in 2018. Our choice for this Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. Number 2, by LS. For more info about these great Black Friday offers, click this link below. Number 3, by Coolaroo. Get these great online offers now. Click this link below for real-time deals and updates. For real-time updates and price drops, just click this link below. Black Friday deals are already waiting for you.